Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to drag and drop objects. Let's get started. Lay out your assets like so. The first thing we're going to do is make the map view draggable. Change the map layer's horizontal and vertical properties from static to drag. Now you can move the map in all directions in your preview. Next, we want to make the chat head draggable, so let's change its horizontal and vertical properties to drag as well. Create a drag begin transition from the chat head by dragging the spaghetti code arrow on top of the artboard. This will automatically create the transition to a duplicate of the artboard. Move the dismiss chat head layer up to the bottom of this new artboard to imitate Facebook's Messenger. Create a drag end transition from the chat head back to the first artboard to dismiss the layer upon release. You'll notice that the chat head snaps back to its original position now. To change this functionality, open the drag end transition and freeze the X and Y properties by tapping on the snowflake icon. Freezing both properties lets you place the chat head anywhere, but if you want it to snap back to the right side of the phone, unfreeze the X property. While we're here, let's also add a bit of spring to the chat head's X property to make it more playful. The chat head animation is looking good, but now our map reverts back to its initial position whenever we move the chat head. To fix this, freeze the X and Y properties in both of the map's drag transitions. That's it.